The year was 2010. Technology was advancing fast, but in the shadows, a new kind of war was unfolding, not with guns or missiles, but with computer code. Deep inside Iran's Natanz nuclear facility, thousands of centrifuges were spinning, enriching uranium. Scientists monitored them carefully, unaware that something invisible had already infiltrated their systems. No alarms, no warnings. But something was terribly wrong. Then, without warning, centrifuges started spinning out of control, then breaking down, one after another.
2010 was a bad year for Iran, largely because of Stuxnet. There were other things going on too, but
this is one of the most important lessons that we have learned in the aftermath of Stuxnet.
Scientists were confused. The machines were malfunctioning at random, as if they had a mind of their own. Engineers checked everything. No hardware failures, no human errors, no outside interference. But the problem kept getting worse. Something unseen was causing the chaos. Meanwhile, cybersecurity experts across the world discovered a strange new computer virus spreading through networks. At first, it seemed like just another malware attack. But as they investigated, they found something terrifying. This wasn't a normal virus. It was a weapon, a digital bomb designed with one mission: to silently destroy Iran's nuclear program. Unlike ordinary malware, Stuxnet didn't steal information or crash systems. Instead, it manipulated machines to cause real physical destruction without leaving a trace. As investigators pieced together the evidence, they found shocking details. Stuxnet had been inside Iran's nuclear facility for over a year, slowly sabotaging the centrifuges while showing false normal readings to scientists. It was the perfect deception. This kind of precision was no accident. It had to come from experts with deep knowledge of Iran's nuclear machines. And then the biggest revelation came. This was no ordinary hack. This was a government-made cyber weapon. Reports soon linked Stuxnet to a secret U.S. and Israeli mission codenamed Olympic Games. The goal? To cripple Iran's nuclear program without launching a military strike. It worked. Iran's nuclear progress was set back by years. But the attack also changed the future of war forever. For the first time, a piece of software had physically destroyed industrial machines, all without a human setting foot inside the facility. When news of Stuxnet became public, the world was stunned. Governments realized that cyber warfare was no longer science fiction. It was real. Countries rushed to develop their own cyber weapons. Security experts saw a new kind of threat, malware, that could damage real-world infrastructure. Stuxnet had opened a new battlefield. It proved that wars could be fought with lines of code, and no nation was safe. The people behind Stuxnet were never officially confirmed. But its impact was undeniable. Stuxnet inspired a new wave of cyber weapons. Attacks on power grids, water supplies, and industrial plants became real threats. Governments poured billions into cyber defense and offense. And the most terrifying question remains: if Stuxnet was just the beginning, what comes next? For more tech stories, cybersecurity insights, and real-world digital warfare breakdowns, subscribe to our channel and stay informed in the ever-changing cyber world.